Hi guys, it's Martie here from letsbuildwp.com, and in this video we're going to be covering how to duplicate WordPress pages and posts using a free plugin called Duplicate Post. So there are going to be times where we want to duplicate certain pages and posts on WordPress. So for an example, things like A/B split tests or product pages on an online store. So to enable us to duplicate our different pages and posts, we just need to install a free plugin. To do this, we can hover over where it says plugins on the left and then click add new. Now we're going to type the words duplicate post into the search bar in the top right, and then we're going to install and activate this one, which has over 1 million active installs. Once the plugin's been activated, we can click either posts or pages on the left hand side. Now when we hover our mouse over our different page titles, we're going to see that we have this new option to clone. When we click this, the plugin we just installed will automatically duplicate that page or post. So as you can see on my screen, I have this Contact Us page, which is the original one, and then underneath I have the duplicate. The duplicated pages or posts are going to be saved as a draft, and we just need to edit them to change any content and then publish them. So just to show you that everything went according to plan, if I right click and preview the new duplicated page and then view the original one, we can see that they're exactly the same. So that's how easy it is to duplicate WordPress pages and posts. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please give it a like here on YouTube to show your support, and consider subscribing to the channel for more weekly WordPress tutorials like this one. Once again, my name's Martie from letsbuildwp.com, and thank you very much for watching my video.